Hello, everyone. Teacher Kevin back with you from the Speak English with Kevin podcast. Great to be with you today. Hope you're having a great day wherever you're at, whatever you're doing. Real quick today, just a few minutes on the whiteboard. Today, we're going to be talking about phrasal verbs. Okay, I have 10 of them for you today. A quick review of our phrasal verbs. Let's get right into it. Here's number one. Turn off. Turn off. Would you please turn off the light when you leave the room? Would you please turn off the light when you leave the room? Okay, turn off. Number two, pick up. Could you pick up your dirty clothes from the bedroom? Could you pick up your dirty clothes from the bedroom? Okay, a lot of teenagers, I know you hear that one a lot. Number three, look after. Look after. Could somebody please look after my house while I'm away on vacation? Could you please look after my pet while I'm gone? Look after. Number four, put away. Put away. Would you please put that stuff away? Would you please put away your clothes once they're folded? Put away. Number five, take off. Take off. Would you please take off that dirty shirt? Would you please take off that dirty shirt? Take off. Number six, bring up. Bring up. Would you please bring up the laundry from the basement? Would you please bring up the laundry from the basement? Bring up. Number seven, settle down. Settle down. Okay, let's settle down. We're getting too excited. Let's just settle down a little bit, okay? Number eight, hang up. Hang up. Could someone please hang up the laundry to dry once it's finished washing? Could someone please hang up the laundry to dry once it's finished washing? Hang up. Number nine, give up. Give up. Don't ever give up in your quest for language. Don't ever give up in your quest for language, okay? Number 10, get on. Let's get on with it, okay? Let's get on with the business of the day. Get on, okay? Very simple, just 10 simple phrasal verbs that you're going to come across all the time in the English language. So happy to bring that to you today. Hope you have a great day. Remember to watch my podcast every Sunday, the Speak English with Kevin podcast. Listen, and my podcasters, I urge you to get on YouTube, watch these whiteboard videos so you get some extra knowledge to help you build up for that IELTS test coming up. We want to get that IELTS score up higher. 8 is where we want to be, and we'll keep working at it. Okay, so thank you again, and I'll see you next time here on the whiteboard with Teacher Kevin.